Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the cryptocurrency market review presented by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. On the daily timeframe, Bitcoin continues to trade within a well-defined bearish trend. The market structure remains firmly bearish, with a key CHOCH level now positions at 82,800 USD, following the formation of a new lower low. Only a sustained move above 82,800 USD would invalidate the current bearish structure and signal that the broader downtrend has come to an end. At this stage, however, there are still no credible technical signs of a bullish reversal. As long as Bitcoin continues to print lower highs and lower lows, the path of least resistance remains to the downside, and we expect the bearish trend to continue. A major bearish fair value gap remains in place on the daily timeframe between 68,000 70,700 USD. This zone currently serves as the primary point of interest for sellers and remains the most attractive area to monitor for potential short setups. Until Bitcoin reclaims key structural resistance levels and confirms a bullish shift in market structure, rallies should continue to be viewed as corrective moves and potential selling opportunities, rather than the start of a new uptrend. On the 4-hour timeframe, Bitcoin continues to trade within the bearish corrective structure. The CHOCH level, supporting the current correction, remains intact and is positioned at 62.5K. A decisive break and close below this level would signal that the latest corrective phase has likely come to an end, and that the broader bearish trend is resuming. Yesterday, price reacted to the bearish fair value gap, and subsequently formed another bearish FVG. If Bitcoin reacts to this newly created imbalance today, traders may be presented with fresh short entry opportunities. Such a rejection would also increase the probability of a break below the 62.5 CHOCH level, confirming a renewed shift in momentum back in favor of the bears. While the current correction remains technically valid, the higher timeframe trend continues to favor the downside. Until Bitcoin invalidates the broader bearish market structure, corrective rallies should be viewed primarily as opportunities to position for the next leg lower. On the daily timeframe, Ethereum continues to trade within the broader bearish trend that began in August of last year. The primary higher timeframe sell setup remains the bearish order block on the weekly chart, which continues to define the dominant market bias. We do not believe the current downtrend has come to an end, and neither Bitcoin nor Ethereum has produced any incredible technical evidence of a bullish trend reversal. At the moment, the market is still a corrective phase. However, a new bearish fair value gap has recently formed, and the price could begin reacting to this imbalance with the next several hours. A similar bearish FVG has also developed on Bitcoin, increasing the likelihood that both major cryptocurrencies could generate fresh ICT sell signals. Until the higher timeframe bearish structure is invalidated, the current recovery should be viewed as a corrective rally, while bearish setups continue to offer the higher probability trading opportunities. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.